In this presentation, I'm going to be talking to you about the shares of the daughter. Okay, now the daughter is over here. This is the daughter. We're going to be talking about her share. So here's the deceased, and he or she has left a daughter. So what does she receive? Now, to understand her share, we can get rid of all of these. So let me just quickly rub all of this out. Okay, so all we need here is the daughter and any other children involved. So first of all, if there's only one daughter, okay, let's say there's only one daughter involved, and therefore there is no male child, only one daughter. The deceased has left only one single daughter. Now what will happen is that she will receive a share of half, meaning that if the deceased wealth is this, it will be divided up in two parts, and half will go to her and the rest, okay, will be given to others, like you'll find out in other clips. So this is the first scenario of the daughter, when there's one daughter. Now if there's more than one daughter, let's say there's more than one, so let me just draw for you over here another daughter. So let's say there's another daughter over here, and this daughter is involved as well. So there's two daughters or more, okay, two or more daughters, two or more. So there's two or more daughters, then the deceased, the wealth will be given to the daughters 2/3. 2/3 will be shared between all the daughters. There's no sons involved, no sons. So 2/3 will be shared between all the daughters. So let's say this is the wealth that's left behind. This will be divided up into three parts. Okay, and 2/3 of this will be given to the daughters. Okay, this is for all the daughters, D for daughters. So if there's one, if there's two, they'll receive it. If there's three, it'll be divided between three, between four, etc. So this is 2/3, and the rest will be distributed in other places. Now the third scenario is if there is a son involved. If a son is involved, or one or more, then the daughter will receive what they call a ratio. What does a ratio mean? It basically means that if we do a male to female ratio, the male receives 2 and the female receives 1. So it's a 2-to-1 ratio. Okay, 2-to-1. And you work it out like this. Let's say there's one male, one son and one daughter. Then you imagine the son as being 2. Okay, imagine the son as being 2. So let's say this is the share. So imagine there's two sons and one daughter. Okay, so you divide it into three parts. The daughter will get one part will given to the daughter. This is for the daughter, and the son will receive the other two parts. Okay, now this is how you can work it out. I mean, the reason I do it like this is because it's easier to work out. So let's say, for example, there's 5 sons. Okay, let's do it over here. 5 sons and 2 daughters. Okay, how would we work that out? Well, the way you work that out is if we say that the 5 times 5 times 2, which gives us 10. Okay, so we have 10, and 10 plus 2 equals 12. So we divide the wealth into 12 pieces. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 12 pieces there. 2 of the pieces goes to the daughters. Okay, so 1 piece goes to 1 daughter, and the rest is divided between the 5 sons. So there's 10 pieces there, and each gets 2 pieces each. Okay, so this is divided by the sons. Now that's why I do it in this way. Just imagine that the son is double, and that's how you can work out the portions. So that's the inheritance of the daughter's share. Hope that makes sense. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments. Jazakumullah khair.